Is your iPhone suddenly not ringing after the iOS 26 update? In the next 60 seconds, let's quickly fix that. First, check the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see orange, your phone is on silent. Flip it back to ring. Next, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and look for any focus or Do Not Disturb mode that might be turned on. If a focus mode like Do Not Disturb or Sleep is active, tap it to turn it off so calls can ring through again. While you're in Control Center, press the volume button and make sure the ringer volume is turned up and not muted. If you see the bell icon with a slash, tap it so the ringer is enabled and your calls can be heard again. Now let's dive into settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Phone. Inside Phone, tap Block Contacts and check that the person calling you is not on this list. If they are, swipe to unblock. Go back, then tap Call Forwarding. If it's turned on, your calls might be sent somewhere else instead of ringing your phone. Turn Call Forwarding off, or check the number it's forwarding to, so calls come directly to your iPhone again. Finally, test with a quick call from another phone to confirm your iPhone is ringing properly again after the iOS 26 update. If it still doesn't ring, restart your iPhone, then contact Apple support for deeper help. For more quick iOS 26 fixes, subscribe and stay tuned.